What's up guys, Andy from Greek's Garage, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the key fob battery on a 2008 Escalade. Now let's not waste any time, let's get to it. So you're going to need your key fob and your new battery, and the battery that you need is a 2032. And I'll have Amazon links in the description below on everything that I'm using here in this video. So the way that you're going to open up this key fob, there's going to be two small slits on each side that you're going to want to pry open. Now you can use a small screwdriver to pry this open, but usually when you do that it makes a bunch of marks in the plastic and it just doesn't look right. So what I use is this plastic razor blade. You can stick it right in there and pry it open and it won't mar up any of the plastic. Just be gentle because these key fobs are pretty delicate. Okay, now once you get it open, everything kind of just falls apart, but no worries, it's easy to put back together. Okay, so the battery was already kind of slid out. That might be the reason why it wasn't working, but we're going to change it anyway since we have a new one. So now you want to line everything up and put it back together. Now there's going to be two little tabs that this goes into right here. Now there's one right here, and the other one is on the other side, right there. Okay, now you want to grab the new battery, make sure it's the new one and not the old one. And all you have to do is slide it into the little slot right here. And make sure the positive is facing up. Now you're going to want to take the other side of your cover, make sure everything lines up, and snap it all back together. There you go, as easy as that, you change the battery in your key fob. Now all we have to do is go outside and test it out. Alright, looks like everything's working, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.